Men, if your erections have weakened or disappeared, if your legs feel heavy by afternoon, if you get winded climbing stairs, or if your feet turn ice cold at night, listen closely. What you're experiencing isn't inevitable aging. It's a circulation crisis, and I'm going to reveal something that will shock you. The solution isn't another pill. It's not complicated, and some of these you probably already have in your kitchen. There are 8 specific natural oils that can begin clearing your arteries, thinning your blood, and restoring powerful blood flow to every part of your body, including your penis, in as little as 24 hours. What I'm about to share has given thousands of men their strength back. I'm Dr. Eva Danial, your trusted men's health advisor. For many men, the first place circulation collapses is not the heart, not the brain, but the penis. That's why your erection disappears years before a heart attack strikes. Today, I will reveal 8 oils that can transform your circulation, starting with some you may be less familiar with, and building up to the one sitting in your kitchen right now. The first oil I want to share addresses something you might be experiencing right now. Waking up with a pounding headache isn't normal. Neither is feeling your heart race after walking to the mailbox. That pressure behind your eyes, the exhaustion that never goes away, no matter how much you rest. These are your body's way of screaming that your blood pressure has climbed dangerously high. Your arteries are under constant strain, and the smallest vessels suffer first. That includes the delicate arteries, controlling your erections. High pressure doesn't just make you feel terrible, it physically damages the inner lining of your blood vessels, turning them stiff and narrow. Pomegranate seed oil works like a pressure release valve. The punicic acid and antioxidants inside signal your blood vessels to relax and widen. Your arteries stop fighting against the. Before I continue to oil number 3, there's something that makes all of these work even better. Your blood vessels need nitric oxide to open wide and let blood flow freely. That's why combining these oils with organic watermelon extract creates such powerful results. The L-citrulline in watermelon converts directly into nitric oxide in your body. Men using both together report faster, more dramatic improvements. Link in the description below. Here's oil number 3, and this one solves a problem you can see right now. Look down at your ankles. Press your thumb into your shin. Does the dent stay there? Do your ankles swell up like balloons by evening? Your shoes feel tight by dinner time? That's fluid backing up because your heart can't pump efficiently and your blood pressure is too high. The same circulatory failure that's swelling your legs is preventing blood from filling your penis. Pumpkin seed oil is packed with magnesium and zinc. Magnesium relaxes your arterial walls like a natural blood pressure medication. Zinc keeps the cells lining your vessels flexible and responsive. Within 12 weeks, blood pressure readings drop 8 to 10 points in most men. The fluid retention starts reversing. Suddenly, your ankles look normal again. Your legs feel light instead of heavy. Shoes fit comfortably, and blood flow to your penis improves enough that erections come back with surprising strength. 1 tablespoon daily. Regular grocery stores carry it in the oil section. The 4th oil on this list addresses something that affects millions of older men. Your hands and feet are freezing, even in summer, even under blankets at night. Your toes go numb, sometimes tingly. When you pull your socks off, your feet look pale or even bluish. This is blood failing to reach your extremities. The smallest arteries in your fingers and toes aren't getting flow. Your penis has the same problem. Those tiny arteries are starving. Sesame oil's lignans Protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage. Think of your arteries rusting from the inside. Lignans remove that rust. Platelet stickiness drops. So microclots stop forming and blocking the small vessels. Within 4 to 6 weeks, circulation to your hands and feet improves noticeably. The cold sensation fades. Warmth returns to your fingers and toes. Numbness disappears. The bluish color goes away. Erectile function improves because those small penile arteries finally get the blood flow they need. 1 tablespoon over food or in cooking. Any grocery store has it. Halfway through our list, at number 5, and this oil fixes something that might be scaring you. You walk into a room and forget why you're there. Words disappear mid-sentence. You read the same paragraph 3 times and still don't know what it said. Your brain feels wrapped in fog. This happens when thick, sluggish blood can't deliver enough oxygen to your brain. The same viscous blood that's starving your brain of oxygen can't create the pressure needed for an erection. Constant force. Research from hypertension studies shows systolic pressure can drop by 12 points or more. The oxidative damage that's been hardening your arteries gets cleared away. What happens next surprises most men. The headaches stop coming. Your heart stops pounding in your chest, and erections that disappeared months or years ago suddenly return with force you haven't felt since your 40s. 1 teaspoon daily. Health food stores carry it, or order online. Oil number 2 tackles a warning sign most men ignore. Brain fog. You wake up after a full night's sleep and still feel exhausted. Simple decisions take forever. Your mind moves through molasses. This isn't just fatigue. It's chronic inflammation, setting fire to your blood vessels. The inflammation makes your blood thick and sluggish. It chokes off testosterone production. Blood flow to your penis slows to a trickle. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, which acts like a fire extinguisher inside your arteries. The chemical reactions causing vessel damage get cooled down and stopped. Clinical trials show inflammatory markers dropping by 30%. Testosterone production in men increased 17% in one 8-week study. Within days, the fog starts lifting. Energy comes back. You wake up, actually feeling rested. Morning erections start appearing again. 1 teaspoon in the morning. Most health food stores stock it. Clear, educational. Almond oil thins your blood naturally. The vitamin E and monounsaturated fats reduce sticky LDL cholesterol and lower triglycerides that make blood move like syrup. Blood viscosity can drop 15%, allowing smooth flow through even narrow passages. Your brain finally gets the oxygen it needs. Memory sharpens. Concentration comes back. The mental cotton dissolves. You feel alert and clear-headed again. Blood surges into your penis with the speed and pressure required for firm erections. 1 to 2 teaspoons daily. Every grocery store and health food store carries it. Oil 6 tackle something you've probably noticed. Climbing a single flight of stairs leaves you gasping for air. Your chest tightens. You have to stop and catch your breath. This isn't being out of shape. This is inflammation, choking your arteries. Your cardiovascular system is crying for help. Inflamed, swollen vessel walls create resistance that makes breathing difficult and blocks blood from reaching your penis. Avocado oil calms arterial inflammation with oleic acid and vitamin E. HDL cholesterol rises, the kind that cleans your arteries. Dangerous triglycerides fall. Inflammatory markers that damage vessel walls drop by 20 to 30%. In clinical research, breathing gets easier. You climb stairs without stopping. The chest pressure vanishes. Sexual function improves dramatically because inflammation is no longer strangling. Your blood flow 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for cooking or drizzled over food. Every grocery store stocks it. The 7th oil is critical if your body is sending you warning signals. Chest tightness that comes and goes. Your heart skipping beats or fluttering irregularly. Lying flat in bed at night makes you short of breath. These are your hearts. Distress calls. Blood is getting sticky. Platelets are clumping together. Clots are forming. The smallest arteries get blocked first, including the ones in your penis. That's why erections disappear years before heart attacks happen. Flaxseed oil is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that make your blood slippery. Platelets stop clumping. Inflammation drops. Blood flows smoothly instead of fighting. Through narrow passages, dangerous clotting factors can decrease by 40%. Hardened arteries soften and regain flexibility. The chest tightness eases up. Your heart rhythm steadies. Breathing lying down becomes comfortable again. Erections return with firmness you thought was gone forever. 1 tablespoon daily, kept in the refrigerator. Health food stores carry it. And finally, oil number 8, the one that's probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. You feel wiped out after every meal. Your legs ache just walking across the room. Your hands and feet never warm up. Erections are a distant memory. This is arterial decline. Plaque builds up, choking your blood vessels like rust in old pipes. Your body is starving for oxygen and nutrients. Extra virgin olive oil has decades of cardiovascular research behind it. Oleocanthal works like natural ibuprofen against inflammation. Polyphenol clean arterial walls and stop new plaque from forming. Men who use olive oil daily cut heart disease risk by 30% and improve erectile function by up to 40%. Energy comes flooding back. Your legs stop aching. Hands and feet warm up. Morning erections return like you're in your 40s again. Blood finally flows freely. 1 tablespoon daily, straight or drizzled over food. It's already in your kitchen. The truth is simple. Aging isn't your enemy. Blocked circulation is. These 8 oils attack the problem from every angle. Pomegranate seed for blood pressure. Black seed for inflammation. Pumpkin seed for fluid retention. Sesame for cold extremities. Almond for thick blood. Avocado for shortness of breath. Flaxseed for clotting. Olive oil for general arterial health. You don't need all 8 at once. Start with olive oil. You already own it. 1 tablespoon every morning. Want faster results? Add flaxseed for blood thinning. Inflammation your biggest problem? Add black seed. Blood pressure through the roof? Add pomegranate seed. Every tablespoon pushes you away from decline and toward the man you used to be. Free-flowing blood brings back energy, strength, clarity, and yes, erections come back, often stronger than you felt in years. You're not finished. Your story isn't over. This moment is where everything changes. Pick 1 oil tonight. Take 1 spoon. Start bringing your body back to life. Subscribe and comment below. Which oil are you starting with? I read every comment. Your heart is worth the fight. Your strength is worth protecting. Your story is far from over. Understanding your body's circulation is about more than just physical symptoms. It's about reclaiming your vitality and confidence. When blood flows freely through your arteries, every system in your body benefits. your energy increases, your mental clarity sharpens, your mood stabilizes, and your sexual function returns. These oils aren't magic bullets, but they are powerful tools, backed by centuries of traditional use and modern scientific research. The key is consistency and patience. Your circulation didn't decline overnight, and it won't fully restore overnight either. But with daily use of these oils, combined with proper hydration, regular movement, and stress management, you can reverse much of the damage that's accumulated over the years. Remember that your body wants to heal. It just needs the right support. These oils provide that support naturally, working with your body's own healing mechanisms rather than against them. Start today. Stay consistent and watch as your body responds with renewed strength and vigor.